little time yet.
The PUD is down here replacing one wire. They got a wire that came down across the road and they're putting that back in. Boy, I tell you what, that thing got messed up.
Gotta cut the wheel off.
Okay, Jack, you get the film. You're recording.
Wait a minute.
It's already on.
Yeah, we had to wait for a while. We got the wires hooked back up on the pole. It's gonna be a few minutes here. George just fell down. Yeah. Huh? Is that a bottle of whiskey there? Yeah.
I just looked at this frame here, and it shoved the suspension clear back. Look at that buckle on that suspension. That's a cab mount right there. Boy, it really wadded that frame up. He hit hard. Those pulls don't give, do they, Jack? And look how far he And you know, he got it absolutely dead center of the frame horns.
Yeah.
Dead center. They said there was no skid marks or nothing. They think possibly he fell asleep.
Boy, he hit that.
You couldn't have got any more dead center.